Hi, today I'm going to patch this hole here, it was a toilet roll holder. I want to have some support in the back. One, the hole is too big to be fixed, so I need to put something from the back. And I will also put another layer of wood up in the front, and I'm going to go ahead and patch it, then paint it. But because I'm going to mount something up to the face of it, I need to have some kind of a support from the back. What I'm going to do is put a piece of plywood through the back like that, and then another piece from the front. What I'm doing is temporarily clamping it so I can put screws to the sides of it. Trying to center it. And make sure you have enough finger space so you can reach behind it to grab onto it. Okay, now this is about centered, and what I'm going to do next is drill a couple of holes. Here we are. I cut this piece of wood so I can fit over it, but the wood isn't thick enough, so I found a few pieces of plexiglass, which I will use as a spacer. This is just for me to hold in place. I am going to do a few more. Okay, ready for patching. I have this thing mixed. I forgot what it's called. It's not spackle, something. If you want this to be flat, you just stand this way, this way, this way, this way, so you can get this to be flat. I overfilled this before, so it had a hump. I already took it down a little bit, but it's a good idea to stand this way, this way so you can get it nice and flat. This spot is now finished and painted. And if you need to mount something over it, it would be solid because you know you have wood behind it. I thought this would be a good idea to share because existing products to patch a hole this size ask you to put some sort of film or wire over the top of your wall. Then you go through with the patch. What that will do is make a lump appear on your wall because it's attached to the outside of your wall. But if you patch it from the back, you can make sure that your wall is flat and flush. I mean, the hole that you patch will be flat and flush. Thank you for watching.